Teachers, let's talk about how to use these pre-made flip charts from Promethean. So here's the lesson plan. You can choose the activity that makes the most sense for your grade level or for your needs. Click on the link attached. It's going to open up the new Promethean World website. If you haven't made an account yet, definitely do that. If it asks you to sign in, that's all you need to do. Use your APS email account, your Google account. You can preview the flip chart from here, see if you really do want to use this one. If you would like to use it, go ahead and click Open in ActivInspire. Open in ActivInspire. Then you're going to click one more time. Then it's going to open your ActivInspire application that is downloaded onto your device. Once it is open, you can use the page toggles to work through your activities. Have so much fun.